Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Aglism School. So today in this video we are going to cover a new chapter, that is Introduction to Trigonometry, that is from class 10th, and the chapter number is chapter 8. So here we are doing exercise 8.1 and we are covering in this video question number 1 to 6. So let's start with the question number 1. So question number 1 says, in triangle ABC right angled at B, AB is equals to 24/7, that is given. BC is equals to 7 centimeter given. Determine first sine A cos A, second sine C cos C. So let's start with the solution part. Solution: in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, we have AC squares is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is 24 centimeter square, BC square is 7 centimeter square. So 24 square is 576 and 7 centimeter square is 49. So here 576 plus 49 centimeter square, that is 625 centimeter square. So here we shift to it root. So under root 625, AC is equals to under root 625, that is 25 centimeter. So sin A is equals to BC upon AC is equals to 7 upon 25, and cos A is equals to AB upon AC, that is 24 upon 25. Second is sin C cos C. Sin C AB upon AC is equals to 24 upon 25, and cos C is equals to BC upon AC, that is 7 upon 25. So question number 2 says, in figure find tan P minus cot R. So let's start with the solution. In triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem, we have QR square is equals to PR square minus PQ square. So here PR square is 13 square and PQ square is 12 square given. So 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. So 169 minus 144 is equals to 25. So QR is equals to root 25. After solving this we get 5. Hence tan P minus cot R is equals to QR upon PQ minus QR upon PQ. So we will get 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12, that is 0. So now the question number 3 says, if sin A is equals to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So let's start with the solution part. Given that sin A is equals to 3 upon 4, let sin A is equals to 3k upon 4k, where k is the real number. So you have to take k, that is a real number. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square. So AC square is 4k square and BC square is 3k square, that is given in the figure. Then 4k square is 16k square and 3k square is 9k square. So let's solve this. 16 minus 9, that is 7k square. So AB is equals to under root 7k square is equals to root 7k. Hence cos A is equals to AB upon AC is equals to root 7k upon 4k is equals to root 7 upon 4, and tan A is equals to BC upon AB is equals to 3k minus root 7k is equals to 3 upon root 7. So question number 4 says, given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. So given that 15 cot A is equals to B, cot A is equals to 8 upon 15. Let cot A is equals to 8k upon 15k, where k is the real number. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is 8k square and BC square is 15k square. So 8k square is 64k square and 15k is 225k square. So after solving this, 64 plus 225, that is 289k square. So AC is root 289k square. After solving this we get 17k from this. Hence sin A is equals to BC upon AC is equals to 15k upon 17k is equals to 15 upon 7, and sec A is equals to AC upon AB is equals to 17 upon 8k is equals to 17 upon 8. So question number 5 says, given sec q is equals to 13 upon 12, calculate all the other trigonometric ratios. So given that sec q is equals to 13 upon 12, let sec q is equals to 13 upon 12 kk, where k is the real number. So here is also k is the real number. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, we have BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. We have AC square minus AB square. So AC square is 13k square and AB is 12k square. So after solving this, 13k square is 169k square, 12k square is 144k square. So 169 minus 144, so we will get 25k square. So BC is root 25k square. After solving this, we get 5k. We get 5k after solving root 25k square. Hence, sin q is equals to BC upon AC is equals to 5k upon 13k, that is 5 upon 13. Cos q is equals to AB upon AC is equals to 12k upon 13k, that is 12 upon 13. Tan q is equals to BC upon AB is equals to 5k upon 12k is equals to 5 upon 12. Here we have to calculate all the other trigonometric ratios. So cosec q is equals to AC upon BC is equals to 13k upon 5k is equals to 13 upon 5, and the last not the least, cot q is equals to AB upon BC is equals to 12k upon 5k is equals to 12 upon 5. So let's come to the last question, that is question number 6. So question number 6 says, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such cos A and cos B, then show that angle A is equals to angle B. So we have to make sure that angle A is equals to angle B. So let's solve the question. Given that cos A is equals to cos B, cos A is equals to cos B, AP upon AQ is equals to BC upon BD, AP upon BC is equals to AQ upon BD. With the figure, let AP upon BC is equals to AQ upon BD is equals to K. Therefore, AP is equals to K bracket BC and AQ is equals to K bracket BD. That is the first equation. Now in triangle APQ, now triangle APQ and triangle BCD, PQ upon CD is equals to root AQ square minus AP square upon root BD square minus BC square is equals to root KBD square minus KBC square upon BD square minus BC square is equals to K root BD square minus BC square upon BD square minus BC square in root also is equals to K. That is the second equation. From the equation first and equation second, we get AP upon BC is equals to AQ upon BD is equals to PQ upon CD. So angle APQ proportionate angle BCQ SSS similarity criteria. This is a fact. In this there is SSS similarity criteria. So angle AB is equals to angle B. Angle A is equals to angle B. So guys, this is all for this exercise. Hope you like the video. If you like our video, then don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel Agla Sem School for more NCERT solution. Till then, take care. Bye bye.